How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Agate Country Cabin. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. And yes, I am back. And yes, I'm bringing back a fan favorite by the name of the Agate. I have featured this floor plan in a variety of styles, with porch, without, side entry, front entry, loft, no loft, walk-in closet, traditional closet. The options go on. But with this Agate Country Cabin that we're coining it, this is going to be the difference. If you remember, if you subscribe like you should be, I've showcased a model named the Agate Rustic Luxury a few weeks back. And you guys love that home. And I've sold plenty of those versions of that model since that video aired. Well, today with this Country Cabin, we've made a few tweaks that you asked for. But starting here on the exterior of the Agate, this particular home is going to be 15 feet wide. It's 36 feet long, including this 10-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $98K. $98,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And starting here with the curb appeal that you'll see on the exterior, we blacked it out. We went black magic on the exterior base, the fascia, as well as your porch post and your rails. We've topped it all off with a Gavaloon metal roof, but we've also added an accent. An accent I'll show you in just a second up close, but we've also paired it with black windows. Instead of the traditional white windows, we murdered it out with black. Now follow me up onto the porch, and as you come up, you'll see, look at that beautiful 3-finger salute porch gable. That is a great option as well. Also get a look of the ceiling accent and this front wall accent. If you remember from the previous Agate that I showcased, this is a 50-year warranty clad accent. What this does is basically add an additional protective barrier on the front of your home and your interior porch ceiling, which also does what I love the most, adds a great aesthetic accent and pop to your cabin. So not only do you got 50 years of warranty, you're looking good while doing it. And with that said, if you look at the porch decking, you'll see it's tortoise brown composite Trex decking with a 30-year warranty, might I add. We've even paired it with a coach light that you see here beside the front door, an exterior electrical outlet, and then we've got 2 exterior can lights, as well as it is wired and braced for a ceiling fan. You'll notice here on this opposite front wall, no window there. We'll showcase why when we get inside, nor do we have a window on the opposite side. So you'll see why that is such, but also the great thing is you get to really showcase this accent of this clad on the front. We went ahead and black magic on the front door, 36 inches, blinds and glass front door to be exact. Now follow me inside, so I'll show why this country cabin may be the perfect cabin for you. And as we enter, oh yeah, here we go. We are in the living area, and again, one of the things that make the Agate Country Cabin so special is the dimensions of 15 feet of living space on the width of this home. So you'll see here, as soon as you get into the living area, we have a love seat, traditionally called here in the living area, but you could easily put a couch, you could put a couple recliners, you have those options. We went ahead and added the 2 windows, the traditional windows here in the living area. Some of you have been saying, I've seen you in the comments, Mr. Tiny, I love windows, But hey, let's try without all the windows. Well, guess what? Hey, I'm open to suggestions. So you see here in the living area, we did not raise the sidewall and include any clear stories here in the living area. We kept that traditional peaked ceiling style, and we've even topped it with southern yellow pine interior accent right there on your roof. So you get the best of both worlds. You've got some windows down low, no windows up high, but it complements with the accent that you get here. And also, you save some money because you did not add the additional clear stories. So, if that's something that you're interested in, Mr. Tiny can make it happen for you. Also, you'll see here that we have the hickory cabinets down below on our entertainment center. We're going to have the carnival countertop here going throughout the home, just bringing out a lot of those color hues that you'll see going throughout the home. It's already pre-prepped and wired for a TV jack behind this picture here. Again, you have the additional storage space down below. And again, it gives you a designated area for your TV. That way you do not have to worry about buying furniture. We got this covered for you in terms of a TV console. But notice, again, reason why that front window wasn't there on the outside, you'll see, because this is where your TV goes here. And then on the opposite side, what we chose to do is not put a window here just because you got extra space for decor. What I would suggest as well is you can make this additional hanging space, utilization area where you could, hang some items there that you would use in the kitchen. Great option there. And you could even add a drop leaf table or a small island into this area, and you would have a designated eating space. Just some ideas for you. You'll see here we continue with the hickory cabinets. We have the 4-drawer bank down below, additional cabinets as well. We have the cabinets up top. You'll see here all of the shelves are going to be adjustable as you go up. So no matter the height, Mr. Tiny can make it right. And the additional focal point you'll get in the kitchen is going to be these open shelves. You'll see we got 4 shelves down below, all equivalent size. And then we went big boy up top with the elongated shelf. And notice the black flat L style brackets. That kind of pairs everything together. And what I think it does is be compatible with the black appliances that you have going throughout the home. Make that cabin, the more that country cabin feel come to life. I also like the grunge oxide backsplash, kind of giving you more of that patina style. Again, this is country cabin. You want to feel like you're sitting in the middle of Cracker Barrel getting you, a country boy platter. If I throw that out there, but you see here, just with that patina, looks like an old F-150 from 1960. You got this right here in your backsplash, just bringing that visual to life. You'll see we kept it pretty traditional here with the 2-basin stainless sink. So no farm sink in here. We kept it traditional there. Again, we'll see all your interior trim is going to be the pine trimming that you'll see going around this window, as well as your baseboards, etc. We'll make our way over here. All of your appliances are going to be electric. Again, we chose to go with the black smooth top oven. We have the microwave up top, and then the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, and you have additional cabinetry up top for storage as well. Notice there's no carpet in this home either. We have that beautiful brown flooring going throughout the home, again bringing that country cabin to life. But what I love so much is you get all this cabinetry here, but Mr. Tiny went ahead and hooked you up with a 6-door pantry right next to your fridge. So right here you can see how deep you have here to put all your oatmeals, your cereals, your canned goods, everything that you need right in there. And there's even space on top because we do finish out our cabinetry accordingly. Now we'll take it into the bathroom. You'll see that we have a traditional swing door here. Normally we do a pocket. We tried something different, and this is a real wood interior pine door. So you'll see here, solid like a rock. Oh, like a rock. You'll see you got that right there as well. You follow me on in. You've got the drawer bank down below again. And then we have the huge, I'm talking about the Shaquille O'Neal cabinet that you got in here. You see how all the way from the countertop to the ceiling right here. You got plenty of space and opportunity to put everything that you need. You ladies out there, I know you got your routine. I understand. We gave you the space to accommodate. So you got that covered. Also, we continued with that grunge oxide, 2 rows of the backsplash there for your convenience. We went ahead with this banjo style countertop, wrapped it over the toilet, and you'll see up above we do have the small opening window that does add some egress in here for you to meet all codes and get that proper ventilation, because you know we do it right if you're talking to Mr. Tiny. And then right here, we have the sliding glass door right here on your 48-inch fiberglass shower. Again, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. I do feel sorry for you because you missed out on a lot of great content, so subscribe like you should be. But if you subscribe like you should be, then you know I'm around 6'1". And you can see here, we always elevate the shower ceiling here to accommodate clients of all shapes and sizes. So that way you can get in here, you can have the tiny home lifestyle and be comfortable. Notice here as well, in the fiberglass shower, you have the built-in seats on each side. What I also love and what you'll notice is there's no pocket door in this particular model leading from the bathroom into the bedroom. We walled that off, gives you great space for a towel rack, and then also additional space as you'll see in the bedroom. Now follow me in here. Again, with this being a 15 wide unit, you're going to get a larger bedroom in here. I would personally recommend you could go up to a queen size bed in here because we did add the walk-in closet option. So it takes up a little bit more space by adding that, but a queen bed, I think you'll be just right. If you want to just be hard-headed, you can go to a king, but then it turns into a bedroom. So you got that as well. You see plenty of space and opportunity here. We have the window right here bringing in the natural light. We're going to have your electrical panel box in here, just hidden behind this hickory cabinet door, just to kind of blend everything together. We have the mini split unit here, all controlled by remote. It's AC and heat. You can do your research on that and see how energy efficient it is. You're going to have one right here in the bedroom. You're also going to have another in the main area that can heat and cool the rest of the home as well. Notice right over here, opposite of where I would suggest the bed placement be, you have the full wall because we do not have the pocket door leading into the bathroom. Therefore, you can have a large TV right here if you like. So you have enough space to accommodate that as well. Now let's get to the bread and butter, the meat and potatoes. Again, this is the country cabin, so let me say the country fried steak and potatoes. You've got this in here with a full pine sliding barn door. It just slides open and then you follow me inside. We go into the walk-in closet. What do we got? I know you're wondering where the washer and dryer was going to go. We got it right here, ready for you, out of sight, out of mind, in your walk-in closet. Everything is ready to go for a stackable washing machine and dryer. Also, we come on back, plenty of space to hang and place your clothing accordingly, as well as plenty of space to accommodate your shoes and any additional accessories that you may have. So the walk-in closet in a tiny home, where do they do that at? Recreational resort cottages with Mr. Tiny. Now follow me on out. If you think this is where the storage stops, you must not know who you're talking to. Keep on following me around, and you remember this Agate Country Cabin has a loft. So as you see here, we have the wood accent just topping off this railing going up to your stairs. We have the open riser stairs and more of that hickory style finish. Notice the loft rails are going to be the hickory tops and bottoms with black rebar. So indestructible up there for you. I'm telling you, we are making it a more cabin style and industrial experience. Now follow me up to the loft so I can showcase how much space that you have in the Agate Country Cabin. And now we're in the loft of the Agate Country Cabin. And you'll see here in the loft space, this is the cherry on top, literally, because you can utilize this space in a variety of options, however you need to. Again, I've had clients as of late actually use this as their bedroom space and use the space down below for an office, hobby room, or even a designated dining room. Totally up to you. But with that said, you have plenty of space where you can accommodate a few beds, a few bean bags, chairs, desks, pianos. Literally, I've had someone do that. So you have the space to do that up here by adding additional space without additional square footage. Again, you'll see here, the loft is around 4.5 feet tall, so we cannot stand up and walk around. Therefore, it does not count towards square footage and still meets all recreational vehicle certifications. So you get the best of both worlds and get to utilize this space. You'll notice up here, we got the clear story windows on each side of the loft. You get a better look of the southern yellow pine accented ceiling in this model as well. But what I love especially is the view. If you go ahead and get a view from up top in the loft to down below, you can see how far 399 square feet can go right here in the Agate Country Cabin. So again, this particular model, as you see it today, is a 15-foot wide model, 36 feet long, including that 10-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $98K. $98,000, you'll get everything that you saw today besides furniture and decor. So if you enjoyed this video tour, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button right now. Hit that thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed this video, and it can spread throughout YouTube to more individuals that are currently in the market. Also, subscribe. If you subscribe like you should be, you're part of the family, and I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed yet, you still got time to join. I'm not going to run off and leave you. Just hit that subscribe button so you can hop on the bandwagon as well. Again, if you love this video, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Agate Country Cabin was, so that way we can continue to showcase these features. Did you like the fact that we did not include the clear stories in the living room or kitchen area? Did you like the southern yellow pine ceiling? Did you like the walk-in closet? Let me know what your features are. Again, so that way we can keep it coming in the future. If you want to contact me directly about purchasing the Agate Country Cabin, run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Agate Country Cabin as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.